Hey guys, it's your boy Arsh here, back for another video, and today we're gonna be jumping into how to dribble in Brawl Stars. So, dribbling is an important key um, to win in Brawl Ball, especially a very famous game mode in Brawl Stars, which many pros use to push, or because it's one of the fastest game modes. So, and it's very entertaining as well. So, let's get into it. So I'm gonna be having a dribbling gameplay running in the background, and like that. That was one of the El Primo dribble. Now I'm gonna explain it to you one by one. There are many types of dribbling. The famous one being Mortis dribbling, then Daryl dribbling, and El Primo dribbling. These are like the main ones. You can do Piper and Crow dribbling also, but those are since they're less health brawler and those are not ball scorers, it's not ideal to dribble with them. But you can do it in some circumstances. Alright, so for El Primo dribbling, what you do is you charge up your super as shown in the video. Then you take the ball. How to dribble? It's one of the easiest skills to learn in Brawl Stars. You throw the ball in front of you and then super towards it with El Primo. I will show it in the video right now. I got my super. I'm just looking for the ball and an opportunity. I take the ball, I shoot it front, and I dribble towards it, and then I score. Basically, what's happening here is that I shoot the ball in front and then super towards it with El Primo super. Now you might be blocked by people in front of you. So what you can do is you can use the wall to bounce the super. Alright, to bounce the not the super, sorry, to bounce the ball. Alright, and then you can super over the people since El Primo super jumps over. See, as here as shown, you can bounce it like that, like I did with Daryl, but do it in El Primo's case as well. Now, jumping into Daryl's dribbling. Daryl's dribbling is very easy because, as you can see right there, the range of the super and the range of the ball are the same, the exact same. And Daryl super recharges easily, and with the introduction of gadgets, now it's much more easier since the gadget helps you recharge your super like that. I just wanted to charge my super, so I got it. Now what you do is the same thing. You just shoot the ball in front and quickly super towards it. You will run at the ball. You will do it because the super's range and the ball's range is the same. I might be showing here, I'm not sure. Let me see. So what I do is I look for a chance to dribble. I heal up. And then I'm just looking for an opportunity. I can use the bounce from the wall as well. See? Look, exactly. Now the 8-bit can interrupt you like that. So what I should have done was I should have gone more closer and bounced it from the wall. Like that, like that. But that was a bit scuffed. You could do it properly if you can. Now in this video, I'm going to be only showing Daryl and El Primo dribbling. If you guys want Mortis, Crow and Piper dribbling and when to do it and exactly what you need to do it and live gameplay, then you guys can tell me. It's all up to you. But for now guys, peace.